Getting idiomatic. When and how to use English idiomatic expressions. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. Are you ready to take your English to the next level? We're here to dive into the wonderful world of idiomatic expressions. They're an essential part of the English language, but knowing when and how to use them can be a bit tricky. Today's focus will be on identifying appropriate situations for using idiomatic expressions. So, let's get started. Before we jump in, let's take a moment to revisit what idiomatic expressions are. They are groups of words with a fixed order, and their meaning isn't necessarily evident from the words themselves. Phrases like, barking up the wrong tree, or break a leg, can be quite confusing if taken literally. But don't worry, our aim is to help you understand and use them appropriately in context. The first step to using idiomatic expressions correctly is understanding the context. Idioms are often specific to certain situations, and using them inappropriately can lead to confusion. For example, you wouldn't say, break a leg, to someone who's about to go into a medical surgery. That would be quite alarming. Instead, this idiom is used to wish someone luck, typically in a performance setting like theater. Understanding the context will help you choose the right idiom for the situation. In the English language, there's almost always an idiom suitable for every situation. Whether you're discussing work, burning the midnight oil, relationships, tie the knot, or even challenges, bite the bullet, there's an idiom to match. Identifying the right idiomatic expression for your situation can enrich your language and communication skills. It's all about recognizing the scenario, and then choosing an idiom that encapsulates your thoughts or feelings. Like all aspects of language learning, mastering idioms requires practice. Start by identifying situations in your day-to-day life where you could use an idiom. Maybe you're feeling under the weather, or someone you know is in the same boat. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has helped shed some light on when and where to use idiomatic expressions in English. They can add color and depth to your language, making your conversations more engaging and natural. So, don't be afraid to throw your hat in the ring, and start incorporating idioms into your everyday language. Until next time, keep practicing, and remember, every cloud has a silver lining.